Hello YouTube. In my first video today, I'll show you how you can host a website for free straight from your PC. Now to get started, open your web browser, go to Google, and type in the phrase XAMPP. Select the first result, XAMPP installers and downloads for Apache friends, and select XAMPP for Windows. Download the file, and once it's downloaded, open it. After this loads, click yes, OK, and then go next, have all this selected, next, uncheck this, and next. Now we're using XAMPP to install Apache in order to host websites. And then we're going to use another program called ngrok in order to share the website to the world. Because we're installing Apache for the local host, for the local network, but we need ngrok to share it to the world, basically. So while this installs, we're going to go to the web browser, Google, and we're going to download ngrok. So type in ngrok. Select the first result, ngrok.com, and head over to sign up. Sign up, select a name, email, password, accept, sign up. Once you signed up, go to your email account, make sure it's verified. Confirm, there we go. Now click this, download for Windows. Save it to desktop. Okay, and then next what we're going to do is you're going to open the zip file. And you can see the ngrok.exe file there. Now what you want to do is go to your C drive where you have Windows installed and simply drag the file there. Now, before we do anything with XAMPP, head over to Start, type in CMD, and run it as administrator. Now, we want to be in the C directory, the main C directory, as you can see. When you launch CMD command prompt as administrator, it will take you automatically to the System32 folder under Windows. Now to go back, simply type in CD, which stands for change directory, space, and 2 dots, 2 periods to go back. Let's do it again. And we're back at the main C directory. So if you type in dir, you can see the list of files and folders in the C directory. And you can see ngrok is there. Now, first what we want to do is we want to activate ngrok. Go to your web browser and you can see the auth code over here. Now what you want to do is you're going to over here and type in ngrok.exe space and simply copy this text and paste it over here by right-clicking on your mouse and then click enter. As you can see, it saved the AuthToken. And then what we're going to do is minimize this and head back to XAMPP. We can leave this minimized. Over here, what we're going to do is, let's launch this first. Yes, we want to start now, finish. And you can see we have the XAMPP control panel. Now, to enable Apache, simply press start. As you can see, it has lit green and the ports are 80 and 443. This means it's working right now. Now, in order to check what the website files are, go to Explorer and then go to htdocs. And you can see the pre-installed website files that XAMPP has installed and place them here. Now, in order to reach this directory, we go to our web browser and type in localhost. This basically means that so we launched we enabled Apache in order to host this website from this directory on the local network. Now, if we want to share this website to the world, we're gonna have to use ngrok, right? Now, I'm going to delete these files. I want to use a different website. Say, I'm gonna create a simple website. Hold on, let me do it quickly. I'm gonna call it Hello World. Save the file. Let's go back to localhost, and you can see Hello World. Now this isn't online, it's on our local network. Now if you want to share this, go back to the command prompt. Let's type in cls to clean the rest, and type in ngrok.exe space http space 80. As you can see, our session is online. It is using my Revitalized account, and you can see the links. Now over here, press on your keyboard Ctrl-Shift-C so we can copy the link. If you press Ctrl-C, it will quit the whole program. So make sure you highlight this with your mouse and press Ctrl-Shift-C. Now over here, if we enter this link, it will take us to the index file, to the Hello World page. And this link you can share to anyone, and if anyone enters it, it will access the website. Now, so I forgot to mention, or maybe I didn't. So let's say you restart your PC, right? And you want to start ngrok in your website and share it to a friend, and it doesn't work. It's very possible that you don't have Apache installed. So in order to do that, we're gonna stop this, quit. We're gonna close this. Hold on, it's fighting with me. Okay, go to start, type in XAMPP control panel, and make sure you launch this as administrator. Now, in order for Apache to start up every time we boot up our PC, you want to install it. You want to install the service. So over here where the X mark is, you want to click on it and install the Apache service. As you can see, it's successfully installed, showing you the green check mark. Now, all you have to do is make sure this is on, click start, and from now on, when you restart your PC, Apache will boot up and start by itself. So you won't have any problems launching to localhost. Because if it was off, you would get, this message. Hold on. See, it won't be reached. It can't reach. You need to have this on and have Apache installed. And it works. And of course this won't work because, or maybe it does, never mind. It works, okay, because we had this on before. So yeah, it works. Another thing, if you want to launch ngrok without having going to cmd and typing all that, commands, what we can do is we can create a simple batch file that allow us to just simply click on it, and then it will automatically turn it on. So let's create a file, or maybe let's go to Notepad and simply type @echo-auth, enter, and then type in where the ngrok file is. So it's located at c:/ngrok.exe space http space 80. And all you have to do is save the file. Let's call it start ngrok. And make sure the files, make sure you select all files over here. And after the ngrok phrase, type in period.bat, which stands for batch. this is a simple file that will launch the command in CMD automatically. So if you enter this, if you click this, it will automatically start ngrok. Now if we copy this, enter here, and it works. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll happily reply. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.